What's going on, everybody? It's your boy T Wizzle, and today I'm back. I'm back for good. I'm gonna keep making videos on a daily basis for the rest of my life, and it's never gonna get boring, and I'm never gonna tire out. Today is a special day because I will be drawing crows. Why crows, you may ask, is because they're fun. So I would say I'm not that good at drawing, but that doesn't really matter because there's only one way to get better. That's not right. So some of these may turn out more like ducks or pigeons, but the point is just to get it done. This does not look like anything right now. But let's add some legs here. Some legs will help. And maybe an eye. And maybe some wings. Some wings might make this a little bit better. I mean, that's not terrible. I'm just gonna keep drawing them because why not? Let's do a little bit bigger. Maybe that will be of assistance. I think I'm drawing the beaks a little too big because I think that's what the problem is right there. Because otherwise the body kind of looks like a crow. Also, we have a lot of crows in where I'm from, and let's give this one 2 legs because why not? Another little eye, and then let's actually get that beak in there. That didn't really work. Wow, that was much better than the last one. Yeah, let's give it a wing. That really makes it come together. There we go. That's what we're looking for. That is a crow right there. Let's do some light shading. Give it some depth. Now it just looks like a seagull. These are seagulls. These are not crows. These will be seagulls. Because apparently that's just what I want to draw today. So we're going to do maybe a smaller beak, a skinnier beak rather. Maybe a skinnier beak is a better idea. I still feel like that head is a little weird, but we're going to continue. The body's not shaping out how I want it to. But whatever, that's fine. Let's do the wing first this time. This clearly looks more like a penguin right now. But this seagull is just having a grand old time. And you know what? I'm actually gonna give it some fries because every seagull, eats a thing of fries. So we'll just add a couple fries here on the ground. Perfect. That does not look like fries at all, but you know what? We're just gonna go with it. We're just gonna go with it because practice makes perfect. So let's actually try a little bit harder this time and work on that. I think I'm making too big of a head. I think that's the problem. I think the head is a little too big. I need to make a smaller, less rounded head, more gradual. And then a nice small beak. And add that wing in there. Still very seagull-y, but you know what? That's the price you pay for trying to draw a crow, right there. So let's see. How do crows normally? I feel like they're they're not really standing up that tall. I feel like they're more long. So let's start at the bottom and work our way up. And maybe that will be better for the crow shape. You know, that doesn't look much better, but we're just going with it. We're going with it because why not? And I'm making a fleet of seagulls. That is what I'm doing. I am just making a fleet of poorly drawn seagulls. But you know what? We're gonna keep it. Keep going. So maybe just the seagulls are gonna take over. Let's give this one a nice big old beak. Yeah, there we are. That's a beak fit for a king of seagulls. We'll make this one. We'll give him a little crown. We'll give him a nice little crown. He will be the king of all the seagulls, which all of these seagulls are following. There we are. A nice big old king seagull. For all these very nicely drawn seagulls. All of these are seagulls. They were never meant to be crows. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. These are the seagulls. I will add more later.